I'm Jennifer McDonald from Engage One-to-One, and we're going to discuss whether Constant Contact allows you to send direct messages to someone on Facebook. First, you have to have a Constant Contact account, and once you do have a Constant Contact account and you've given them access to your Facebook profile, you are allowed to post to a Facebook account through Constant Contact. You cannot, though, send direct messages to any of your friends. This is due to privacy settings. So if you do give Constant Contact permission to your Facebook login by logging into Facebook through their application, you are allowed to post to a Facebook account or a wall on Facebook or another business page, but you must give them access first. But do not worry, you will not be getting messages from anybody on Constant Contact due to privacy settings. I'm Jennifer McDonald, and that is if Constant Contact can send direct messages to someone on Facebook.